What's your name?
My name is Haddon, and Mommy and me are making flowers for Mother's Day.
We're going to show you how to make an origami tulip, maybe as a fun Mother's Day present.
Well, these are just orange and yellow.
First we'll make the tulip. So you start with a little square piece of colorful paper. Haddon, what color are you going to do? Orange or yellow? You want to do yellow? All right, I'll do orange.
Because yellow is my favorite color.
Hold your paper like a diamond flat in front of you and fold the bottom corner, like that, up to the top corner and make the corners even with each other and then fold a nice crease. Okay? So make sure the corners are right on top of each other, and I'll hold that for you, and I'll make a nice crease along the bottom. Good, now we're going to take one side.
It's kind of like opened.
Okay, now we're going to take one corner on the side and fold it over to the other side corner and match those up and fold a nice crease again.
Wow.
Good. I'll hold that right there. Get a nice crease. Okay, and then we open it back up. So we have, just open up the second fold. Flip it over. So you have a triangle. And then you take one corner and fold it up, not quite to the top point, but close to it, and do a nice crease. Okay, so not quite to the top point, right there. So it's a point at the bottom, but not quite touching the top point. Good. And then do the same thing on the other side. Bring it up a little bit, crease it. Yep, make a point at the bottom. So like that. There we go, now crease it. Good. Then we're gonna flip it over again.
This kind of feels like construction paper.
Yeah. It's very thin paper, makes it easier to fold. So flip it over and fold the sides in just a little bit, like that.
I can't even do it.
And that. Okay, ready? Fold this corner in just a little bit. Maybe a little bit more than that. Now do the same thing on the other side. Right there. Yep. Beautiful. Then flip it over and you have a tulip flower. Hold up your tulip flower. Awesome. All right, now we're going to set that aside and we're going to make a stem. So for the stem, you just need a square green piece of paper.
I don't have any green.
We'll work together on this. So you lay it down like a diagonal, like a diamond, I mean, and start folding at the bottom corner, and getting it started is a little tricky. It can help if you have a toothpick or a thin paintbrush, which I don't have right here, to roll it around, but just get it started. Once I get it started, I'll let you finish it, Haddon. So roll it nice and tight, and we're just going to roll it all the way up. All right, Haddon, you want to help me now? Keep it nice and tight. Don't let it get too thick. Here, let's go back a little. All right. And it's okay if it's not perfect. There we go.
This stem is kind of hard to, start.
Yeah, how old are you, Haddon?
6.
6. So it might be a little, okay, then right before you get to the top, we're going to take a glue stick, put a little bit of glue right on that corner, and then finish rolling it up. And then hold on to that. Maybe add a little glue right on the tip there. Rub it down and then make sure it's secure. And there's our stem. Now, we want to attach the flower to the stem. So for that, we are going to need scissors. And we will make a little snip.
Can I do it in a little?
Right on the bottom like that. Okay, so Haddon, do our little snip, please. Perfect. All right, and then that gives us, if you put your finger in the top between the flaps, you can get a little hole. So before we put the stem in,
we need to add glue.
We're going to put glue all the way around.
But not too much.
The top of the stem.
Because that would make it sticky.
You get a good amount of glue.
Yeah.
And Haddon, do you want to... I'll hold the tulip and you put the stem in. Ready? There we go. Okay, now we're going to press down. Okay, turn it around. You can see, just get it kind of stuck on there so the glue can dry. And we'll set it aside to dry, but there's our tulip. Let's see. You can make
you can
few of them.
You can make as many as you want.
Yeah, make a nice bouquet for your mom for Mother's Day. Right, Haddon?
Mm-hmm.
Are you going to make some flowers for me?
Let's just get some more.
These are for Grandma. All right.
No.
Let's say bye.
Bye.
Thanks for watching.